Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be learning about hybrid inheritance. In our previous lecture, you have learned about multi-level inheritance. So let's start. Hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of one or more level of inheritance. So you got to know that in this we will be using one or more level of inheritance. In this flowchart, you can see that we are having two level of inheritance. Like first one is we are having multi-level and also hierarchical. So combining both the thing, we call it as hybrid inheritance. So let's move to code blocks. So let's start coding. First of all, we will be creating a class as A. In this class, we will be putting protected, and I will be making a variable A as protected. Rest I will be making as public. So first of all, I will be using get a function, and I will be defining this function inside this class only, or otherwise you can define this function outside the class using the scope resolution. So cout, enter the value of a. Okay. Then I will put in end of the line. So after this, I will be using cin, that is the input output operator. Cin, I will be taking the values in a. Now I will be creating another class as b, in which I will be making protected as integer b. Okay. Then I will be writing public. Similarly, I will be creating a function to get b. Then I will be writing cout, enter the value of b, end of the line. Then cin b. Okay. Now I will be creating another class, that is c. Okay. In which similarly I will be making it protected integer c, and then I will be making this as public void get c function. I will be creating void c get function and declaring it over here. Cout, enter the value of c, that is end of the line. Okay. And then I will be writing cin c, so the values will be going in the c variable, that is a protected one. Now similarly, now I will be creating a class d. Then I will be inheriting public b and then public c. Okay. Now I will be writing protected integer d, public void nul. Okay. In this function, what we are going to do, we will be getting get a function. So we are calling the functions over here, get b function, get c function, and then I will be writing cout. What we are going to do, multiplication of a comma b comma c. We forgot to put in the quotes, so I will be putting okay, of abc is So we will be using the operators A, B and C, end of the line over here. Okay, then we will be jumping out of this classes. So total classes that we had created 4, A, B, C and D. Now we will be creating the integer main function. In this function we will be calling the D class and creating an object of D1, that is a class of D. So using the object we will be calling D1 dot null function. Okay, so now we will be compiling and running the program. So you can see the output over here. Enter the value of A is 5. Similarly, enter the value of B is, again I will put it 5 and C as again 5. So you can see the multiplication of ABC is 125. So you have seen that we have used multiple level of inheritance, or we can say you have used a combination of 1 or 2 inheritance, so which is called a hybrid inheritance. Thank you.